Guess who's back?
Happy Caravan Friday.
So we're on the east end of Ojai, headed to the first house to view today.
2170 Ladera.
It definitely has a ton of potential. It needs a full remodel, but what everyone has to understand is there are a lot of older homes in Ojai that are ready for this. Like, they need someone to come in and make them their own and put their touches on it. And this one's completely ready, blank slate. It has a good layout. It's
original owner too.
Original
only
owner.
One family has been living in there.
It hasn't been chopped up. It's extremely private. I mean, it's way up Ladera. What was your favorite part?
I would have to say my favorite part would be the sunken living room.
Those are cool.
Yeah.
Those are cool.
They're rare, but I think you can really lean into that when you take it to like
the next level.
A mid-century style to it.
Yeah. My favorite part was the pool. It really does have a nice pool area that does not need a lot put into it right now. So it has a diving board. Also, the creek, being close to the creek while it's running is really nice. It just gives it like a nice feel.
Oh yeah, the sound.
Good sound. So the creek was nice as well. So the reason we started doing these caravan tours is so that everyone can kind of get an idea of what's going on in Ojai consistently week by week. We started this at the beginning of the year. We're going to continue to try to do this every week as long as there's good stuff to see out there or anything to see. This market is very limited, so you will sometimes only have 2 things on Caravan or sometimes have 10 things on Caravan. And today I think we have a decent amount. We're going to try to hit as many as we can, but we want you guys to know that Ojai is unique and you're going to see a lot of different stuff. And I think we're supposed to be going to Gregory. So we're going to go see a split home. We just got done seeing a 1-acre estate on the east end that was completely private, but also ready for some remodeling.
Now we're pulling up to 1309 Gregory.
Yes.
Street.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Okay. We have seen that before. They redid this one back when they bought it, and they crushed it.
They did a great job.
I think they
killed
it.
Bathrooms.
They killed it.
And the garage. It's all finished out, drywalled.
Yep. So
nice box of flooring.
These split homes, it's a dense little neighborhood with sidewalk, but it's really close to town. It's quiet. There's a little green grass park across from this one. They're small and the yards aren't huge, but it's a certain type of living. We are headed to 125 North Alvarado. All right, here we go.
This looks cute.
All right, all done for the day, you guys. We're sorry we're not going to be able to do all of them. Some of them are repeats, but this one was good.
This one was really good. Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, really nice, cute little home in Miners Oak. Little bungalow.
Very cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Had a yoga studio in the back that looked like a sauna.
Yeah, it was really aesthetically pleasing.
As you see actually in the video. But I feel like there's enough privacy and they did a good job with, all of their landscape. Does not have a garage, but has a giant carport. So that was good. All right, guys. Well, that's going to end the tour for today. Stay tuned for all of these wonderful caravans and some additional videos coming out. And do us a favor, check out our YouTube.